Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of manually searching for events on Facebook. If you're looking for a specific event or want to explore exciting activities, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, go to the Play Store on your smartphone and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo with a white background. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download and install the Facebook app. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. Step 3. After signing in, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the app. This will open the menu where you can access various options and settings. Step 4. Scroll down the menu and tap on Events. This will take you to the Events section where you can discover and manage upcoming activities. Step 5. In the Events section, tap on the magnifying glass icon in the top left corner. This will activate the search function. Step 6. Type in the keywords or specific event name you're looking for. As you type, the search results will start to appear, showing relevant events based on your search query. Step 7. Once you've entered your search query and the desired results appear, you can explore the different events listed. Tap on an event to view more details, such as the date, time, location, and description. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to manually search for events on Facebook. Enjoy discovering exciting activities, connecting with like-minded individuals, and attending events that interest you. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy event browsing on Facebook.